I'm here with Joshua and Jacob, and they are just purchasing their first home. So, how was your experience with our team?
I mean, it was great. We really, for our first home, we had nothing. We knew nothing about buying a house, just a little bit from what our parents had told us. And then we met Joan through friends of our family, and from there, we just like took off like a rocket, and she gave us everything we needed. It was awesome.
Yeah, I mean, for being young 20-year-old kids, we had no idea what we were doing, getting our first home. You know, looking at pictures on Zillow, we were like, oh, this place looks awesome. And then Joan would schedule those appointments right away. We'd go check out the house, and she would say, absolutely not. There's just too much, fixer-uppers, stuff like that. And so she really helped us with our budget and was able to find our house that we needed.
And so what you thought you were going to get and what you actually got, were those two the same things?
Not quite. Honestly, it turned out better than I thought.
I never in my mind would I expect for my first home to be a new build, but here we are, and it's worked out great for us, and we're really excited.
Yeah, especially compared to some of the other homes we saw that were not in great shape.
Cool. Do you have any advice to anyone that is considering hiring our team?
Joan's awesome. You tell her exactly what you want, and she will find it for you.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I got nothing else to say than that.
Cool. Thank you very much.